Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Sometimes projects require just the right part. Well, this is just the right part that we were looking for. These are a set of T-nuts from Socell. So this is a set of 180 pieces. You get 60 of each size, and that is the M3, M4, and M5. So these are perfect for fixing things onto a project that has a rail system. So for example, 3D printers, different robotics, or laser engravers that might have that type of frame. These are the perfect little things. So we use these to install end stop switches on our laser engraver, and this was the perfect little thing. So you can very easily install them through the rail system and they fix into place very easily. It also comes in this clear case, which is really great because you're able to clearly see what's there, and it separates the different sizes, so you're able to keep everything nice and organized. So if you are in need of some T-nuts for a project, then I would definitely check out these from Socell. They are just the thing that we needed, and we're really happy with the quality. They are made from carbon steel, they're nickel plated, so they're gonna last a long time. They are rust resistant, and they're just a really great product. And that's my point of view.